Hi, I'm Deborah Jones with Keller Williams Jamaica Realty, and I'm inviting you into this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5-bath located at Caymanas Estate. It has an option for an office as well as it has a loft, and it has amenities, great security, pool, football court, table tennis, kids park, you name it. So come on in to this beautiful home listed at only 69 million Jamaican dollars.
Welcome back to another video. My name is Courtney-Ann Wallace, your local realtor, and today I'm partnering with Miss Deborah Jones to produce this lovely video for you. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom property on the market. It's located in Caymanas Estate, St. Catherine. So just a quick synopsis: beautiful layout, intricately designed. This is the living room space, as you're seeing here, with recessed lighting, which is very rare in St. Catherine homes, and high ceilings, which is also a rarity considering that this house is a multi-level house. So let's take a look at the property. Enjoy the video. Comment below what is your favorite room, what you loved the most. This is the ground floor bedroom, currently used as an entertainment space or a man cave, what have you. There's a guest bathroom as well. There's also a second bedroom on the ground floor, which is currently being used as a child's room, but of course you can make it however you want it to be. Guys, this home was it was a well-designed home. I enjoyed shooting this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the tour. Alright guys, so let's jump into this kitchen space. So there's actually 2 sink areas. There's a double sink near the window and a small sink for hand washing on the island. There's a seasonings drawer, a wine/large bottles drawer, and I love how the seating area is also convertible into storage space. So Deborah is just helping me out here by opening up the drawers and the different spaces that can be used for storage, and storage is super important in home ownership. Here is the helper's quarters, and that is something that usually comes with a home of this large nature. You're gonna need help. We have an office space. The stairs is beautifully designed with these mirrors. The grill work is phenomenal. And on top of that, we have a child's gate at the top for persons who have kids. There's a bedroom on the first floor as well. And the best part about all of this is the master bedroom, the big show, the top dog. The master bedroom is beautifully designed with these recessed lightings and wooden ceilings with a drop ceiling effect. I personally love the lighting, and it blended in with the sheet colors, which I know of course you won't have, but just giving you some ideas should you buy this property. But I should mention the furnitures in this property are available for sale as well at an additional cost. So if you're loving the furniture in the video, when making your offer, feel free to make an offer for the furniture as well. The bathroom is adorned with a jacuzzi, a niche in the wall, more than one niche in the wall, and in addition to this beautiful jacuzzi, there's a standing shower for your enjoyment as well. There's also a closet space, which unfortunately I did not film because the personal effects were still there, but it is a walk-in closet. And then stepping out of the master bedroom, it brings you to your upper balcony. Now, when Tanto Black says balcony, tanamana, this is what we are talking about. The seating area, the faux grass, the views, absolutely amazing. You can basically have some sort of a 360 view here. Stepping back inside the property, we have an attic space, which you can also use as an extra bedroom or Maybe you want to have a games room or a movie room. I think this space is perfect for all of those things. Now, one of the parts of the property that I enjoyed the most was the backyard. The backyard was like a mini oasis in that there was a water fountain, there were areca palm plants, there was a bench for your enjoyment. And positioned neatly at the back of the house is also the laundry space, which has a washer and dryer. So just reiterating, if you love the furniture, you can have the furniture with this property. Overall, I enjoyed this tour. The location is strategic. It's right beside the North Coast Highway, a stone's throw. And guys, as usual, we're always grateful for your opinions, your views, and your subscriptions. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.